In this video, I will be showing how to make some cocoa based energy balls with a tinge of black pepper and some blueberries appearing as stars in the sky. It will be very interesting. I think you got to watch this, do it yourself and enjoy the recipe. Watch on. In this video, I will show how to make some blueberry topped energy balls with a predominant cocoa flavor. It is easy to be on a healthy diet if you are able to incorporate some healthy raw food such as this in your lifestyle. Not only could you get rid of chronic diseases but also lose weight if you are in excess. Diet has to be one that is delicious and easy to make. Kids to adults to senior adults, everyone will enjoy these. If you are interested in improving your health and spirit or lose some unwanted weight, do subscribe to my channel and watch some of my videos and follow the advice. You will see results within weeks, if not sooner, just like I did when I switched over. Equipment needed to make this recipe is just about any food processor or a simple blender. Ingredients needed for making these energy boosting snack along with quantities can be noted from here. Do make sure the dates are pitted or you will have a disaster. Get some almonds into a food processor and process them, making sure that it doesn't become a total powder but then they become bits and pieces, just as the one that you will see here. If you do not have a food processor, you can also do this in any blender, but just make sure that you don't over process it. Once you are done, it should be something like what you are seeing now. In a large bowl, take the chia seeds, the dried blueberries and the cocoa powder. To this mixture, add the almonds that we have processed just now. Mix them very well, ensuring that the chia seeds particularly and the cocoa powder are able to mix well with all the rest of the ingredients. To this mixture, add some freshly ground black pepper. Hopefully, this will give some spiciness, some amount of punch to the energy balls. But don't add too much. The predominant taste is supposed to be coming from sweetness and the cocoa bitterness. Mix again everything very well, ensuring that they all get mixed and are consistent. Process the dates in a food processor or a blender until it becomes a small ball like. It should have a smooth, soft texture that will be used both for sticking the powder together, all the ingredients, as well as to give the sweetness that will negate the bitterness in the cocoa powder. Making sure that your hands are hygienically clean. Now you can mix well with your hands, ensuring that the dates are not left as lumps. They do get very well mixed with all the ingredients that we have in the bowl. Now you may also want to add some cocoa powder once you are done, not in the beginning, once you are done, because once you add this extra cocoa powder, you do not mix them a lot. We want the cocoa bitterness to touch us infrequently as we are eating the energy balls. Don't make making this recipe a big chore. Watch the TV and make the energy balls, or whatever free time you may want to pass, listening to music, whatever. Enjoy the time. You are going to spend some time making these energy balls and you want to enjoy that time. Hey, if the balls are not very roundish, it doesn't matter. For that matter, even the earth that we live on is not a perfect sphere after all, right? testing time, exciting time. Let me see how this recipe has turned out to be. It's exciting every time because I don't make recipes in the same fashion at any time. So every time there is an element of suspense for me as well, how it is going to turn out. So this one with cocoa based standard flavor, nothing unique. Lot of people make energy balls which are based on cocoa flavor, but the difference in this case is we added some crunchiness with the chia seeds. We added some black pepper which hopefully will give a different kind of punch as I eat this, and most excited about I am about is the blueberries. Let me see how it has turned out. Wow, awesome. You know, the cocoa flavor is very strong. I purposely added a little more cocoa than I normally do, but I thought I added more dates also. So I was concerned if it was going to make it very sweet and not have the cocoa flavor. But as it turned out, I think this has got lot more cocoa flavor and very tasty. You know, being on a healthy diet does not mean eating vegetables that are bland and then drinking some juices. Being on healthy food, raw food also means that we have some tasty foods as well. Energy balls are an excellent alternative to having your regular commercially bought chocolates or the sweets that are made in India with lot of sugar in them. This is something if you make at home you will enjoy. There is some amount of crunchiness because we did not crush the almonds into a flour completely, so that is there. Then the chia seeds definitely have added quite a bit of punch into it, you know, the crunchiness. To be honest, I did not notice much of black pepper flavor in this. Maybe as I bite more into that I will get more of that, but as of now this is quite exciting. I think I enjoy it. Maybe you should make it home as well. Try it out, see if it works for you. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and click on that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, because I will be posting lots of recipes such as these and you might find at least some of them interesting for you. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.